I often get asked this question by people in my network, by my clients, how can we find the posts that we've created on LinkedIn? So there's a very simple way to do this. Go to your homepage on LinkedIn, and in the right-hand corner, you see this little image of yourself, and you see me below that. Click on the drop-down box and scroll down till you come to posts and activity. Click on that, and then it'll show you all activity, articles, posts, documents. All activity is basically everything that you have posted, posts that you've commented on, so posts by other people that you've commented on, reacted on. So you can see Nina likes this. I like this post by Izzy Pryor. So I did not even comment on her post, but it shows up as one of the activities under my activity section. Then articles is any article that you have written. So it can be long form posts, or it can be my newsletter, as you can see here, which is Finding Your Voice on LinkedIn. Posts are all the posts that I have created, right? And so this was the last post that I did, when the mail makes your day. So that's how I can see all my posts. And then finally, document posts, which some people call slideshows or carousels. And I know there's some confusion about what are document posts and carousels, because carousels are being rolled out by LinkedIn. So document posts are when you post on LinkedIn as you upload it as a PDF. I'll give you an example. I'll show you a couple of my document posts. You can see this. This is my most recent document post, 8 simple tips to engage on LinkedIn. So here's one of them. And another one that I did a while ago, new features I spotted on LinkedIn. So this is really easy because I can go back. Maybe I know I did a particular post and I want to know how it's doing, and I want to check in, and I'm not getting all the notifications. So I can just scroll down, because sometimes people comment on a post or an article or a newsletter or a document post that you haven't that you posted a while ago, and you haven't been tracking the comments, and you want to be able to respond to all those comments. So this is a simple way to do it. So I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions or suggestions or comments, let me know in the comments of this video. And that's it for now. Bye.